Hello everyone, my name is Darshan. Today we are going to discuss about the topic called toggle case. So it is very important in the perspective of the programming languages and the interview processes. So the process we are doing is we are going to change the lower cases to upper cases and the upper cases to lower cases. So here we are having two kinds of approaches, and we are gonna for this we are going to learn about the concept called XOR operator. So in this, we would be taking two inputs and we would be getting output. So our inputs can be in the form of binary. So in the concept of the XOR operator, uh, it can be easy to remember if there are two similar kinds of input and the output would be 0. And when there are two different kinds of input, the output will be in the form of 1. So uh, when we are going to learn it, it would be accessing through the ASCII values of the alphabets. So ASCII value of capital A is 65 and capital small a is 95. So when we are doing the differences, it would come to a range of 32. So it would be applicable for capital B and small b, and it comes to 32. So if you are able to do the operations on the 32, it would be an easy approach to convert this. So first approach is we would be iterating through the string. Sorry. We would be checking for the conditions if s of I is greater than or of character capital A and s of I less than for capital Z. We would be uh, s of I would be converting equal to s of I minus 32. So here we would be reducing the capital to small, and else if s of I is greater than small a and small z, we would be converting it to uppercase. So we would be adding the, so by this it is the output would be come in this range. And second approach is, and our second approach would be through XOR operator. As we discussed earlier on, we would be iterating through the entire string. So the main base condition would be checking if these are ranging between the alphabets. So if s of I here we are directly checking for the range of between the capital letters and the small letters. So if these are the range between the capitals and the small letters, we would be directly converting using XOR operator, which would be s of I equal to s of I XOR of 32. So by this, small a would be converted to capital A. Like this, every capital word would be converted to small, and every small would be converted to capital. So this is an important topic. Thank you.